Morning, North Beach kids. Teacher Tony here. Hey, had so much fun at Morning Circle today talking about jellyfish, especially the Medusa jellyfish, and thought that maybe we can do a fun little science project. And we are going to make jellyfish. As a matter of fact, we are going to make jellyfish in a bottle. So, I've emailed your parents to tell you some of the things that we're going to need, but I'm going to show it to you, and we can do it right here in our house, in our kitchen or our living room, wherever you want. So first you want a flat surface with not a lot of stuff on there. I got a couple things. So number one, your water bottle. Empty water bottle. If it's got a sticker, take it off. And you can do any size. It can be a big one. It can be a little one like this one, a little water bottle. And that is going to be our seed. Then we're going to go look for a plastic bag. And depending on how big your water bottle is, that's how big the plastic bag will be. If it's clear, that's cool. If it's not, it'll still work. You can find some other ones, green. We're going to need a pair of scissors. Now this one, you're going to have your parents help you out a little bit, okay? Because these might be a little sharp, and you definitely want mom and dad to help you with these ones. Food coloring, because the color of the ocean is what color, guys? You guys are so smart. Blue. So we're going to use a little bit of blue. And then we're going to have some water. Empty water. And, last but not least, rubber band. Little rubber band. So what we're going to do is we are going to make jellyfish. And start off by making one, and if you'd like to, you can make a whole bunch. So start with the scissors, and you get mom and dad's help. And what we want to do is take our plastic, and we're going to cut a square. All right. And it doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to make a square. And this is going to be the head and the body of our jellyfish. All right? All right, now, what we're going to do, now we got our square. Now what we're going to do is we're going to bunch up the middle. And this is going to be the head of the jellyfish. Because if you remember from the video that Teacher China and Teacher Tony did this morning, the jellyfish almost looks like a mushroom top. And then these are going to be the tentacles. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the rubber band, and we're going to put that around the head. It's kind of hard. You might want to ask mommy and daddy for help. So once that's done, you're going to have something that looks kind of like that. All right? And now, Tony, where are the tentacles? Good question. With the help of mommy and daddy again, we're going to take the scissors, and we're going to cut some tentacles. Someone falls off. That's okay, guys. But we're going to go from the bottom up. And this is going to look really cool once we put it into our little bottle that looks like the sea. Because it's going to have a cool motion. And it's going to pulsate. Remember when the Medusa would go through the water? It would use the head would pulsate. Not like flippers, not like we swim, but would pulsate. And the tentacles would be behind it. So that's what hopefully it's going to look like in the water. We'll see. All right, so I got a bunch of tentacles. Which looks like it's going to be pretty cool. So now we get our bottle. All right, and we take our guy, by Mr. Jellyfish, and we push him all the way in there, okay? All right, so now he's in there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our water. We're going to pour our water in. Again, you might want some help from mom and dad here. All right. We're going to fill it pretty much close to the top. Now, cool part, the science part. All right, we don't need a lot of food coloring here because if you put too much, you won't be able to see. So just maybe one drop. You guys can experiment. 1 or 2 drops. For now, just put 1 drop. Now, make sure that is real tight, okay? You guys help mom and dad on this one. Make sure it's tight because you don't want the spill. All right, so I'm going to shake it up. Look at that water, you guys. Look, it's turning blue. All right, we're going to go upside down a little bit. All right, and now, let's get closer. You guys can see I've got my really cool sea experiment here. And you go upside down to the side. And it's just really, really cool. And you can see our little guy in there going upside down with his tentacles flowing. So you guys can do that at home. It's real, real simple. Like I said, if you have a bigger bottle, you can make the jellyfish even bigger, or you can even put multiple jellyfish in. If you want to experiment with the sea color, put some more. Add some green. Hey, if you want to get crazy, add some rainbow. But really, really cool. And that is a very, very cool, very easy, very fun science experiment. All right, North Beach kids, I'll see you guys next time.